What's up? So today we going to another birthday party. So today is my little cousin Dougie's. I don't know if it's his birthday today, but he's having his party today, and we're going bowling. And your girl loves to bowl. It's probably one of my favorite activities, honestly, truly. So I'm really excited. I'm about to go pick up my other cousin, and we're gonna head to the bowling alley. Hold on before I pull off. So the party starts at 3, so we all have to get there on time, which if you watched my last video, you know your girl can't do. I am arriving a wee bit late. My cousin told me to be there at 3. It's now 4:50. So, you know, I'm making an effort this time. Oh, there's somebody walking by my house. I'm just gonna, if I'm still, she won't see me. Okay. Yeah, so I'm gonna just drive. And I'm gonna catch y'all there. Kylie, how excited are you to bowl?
I'm good, but Kyla's negative vibes rubbed off on me. You guys missed my thing. Like these ghetto people.
Right.
We're like having mad fun. Go doo-doo! Oh, there we go.
Touch slightly on the fact that I am an idiot because I recorded the happy birthday portion on my phone and it was recording in slow-mo. So there's that.
Watch them dreads, boy. You want them shit?
Yeah, I know, right? One of them on the dip.
My turn.
3.
1, 2, 3.
Come on, baby. Come on, boo. Yes, boo. Come on. You gotta make it work, boo. Make it count. You on the bench. You on the bench. Yes, sir. You are not a starter. You are a bench rider. You are not a starter. You are a bench rider. Okay. Come on. Let's get it. Down to it. Down to it. 2, 1. The score is 50. Buzzer beater. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Why you gotta be the loud black people? Let's look at the score. The score is 55.
Not on my watch. Not on my watch.
How do you guys feel? This is an interview for ESPN. Actually it was a tie, 55-55. So
They had us in the first half.
bye.
We're gonna finish fast. Yeah, they had us the first half, I'm not gonna lie. They had us. We weren't defeated, but they had us.
Okay, so how does it feel to tie?
It sucks, you know. It was 55-54, and then
The buzzer beater.
yeah,
And
You know your boy made the buzzer beater. I can't lose for y'all.
it was a tie. It was a tie. It was a tie. These people are dumb. Here, can someone get on the mic?
You know, he had me in the first half, but we better catch his thumb. We better catch his thumb. It's hot.
It's hot. It feels like the project.
I'll have to ask my accountant about that.
My face is sweating off.
But that's okay, because she's still cute. Hair still intact. Hair still intact. Tiebreaker. This is what we have. This is a Campbell tiebreaker going on. It's poor, so there's no money on the cards. Oh, there's money on the cards. All right, this is for the Campbell tiebreaker. And go! Papi, she's beating you. It's tied at 33 seconds. Nia's in the lead.
Tiebreaker 18 to 14, 15. That was okay. Nia's against nephew. Uh-oh, who's gonna win?
We have Nia in the lead.
Campbell. 28, 22.
Uh-oh.
Okay.
The time is getting close. The birthday boy has interfered.
Okay.
Shaking his money maker. 2, 1.
Nia, go. You got 50. You can go again.
Papi, she's in the lead.
39.
She's whooping you out the park.
Okay, Campbell,
8,
in the lead.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and Nia takes the medal. Nia is the winner.
Talking all that mess. And who won?
Yes! Is tired. Out of breath. Edge is sweating.
Edge is gone. Makeup gone.
But she is the winner. So Nia, tell me, how does it feel to be the winner of...
Feels great, you know?
What else? Can you elaborate on the win?
It took guts, it took an attitude. That's all it takes. That's all it takes to be successful is an attitude.
How did you...
I can't think I'm out of breath.
How did you have to do to get in the league? You know, just train hard? Yeah.
You know?
Continue to give God the glory. If you still lose the game, you continue to get each other's back, and that's what we realized. Win or lose, we realized that we were gonna be all right.
Yeah.
That's about it.
Yeah.
I feel like I look so ugly.
All right. Look at these pearly whites. You never seen a set of teeth that look this good.
Dougie, how was your birthday? I mean, this is a thumbs up. That's all you gotta say?
Yes.
Did you enjoy spending time with your family?
Yes.
So that's the end of today's vlog. Dougie, I hope you had a great birthday. A great 8th birthday. Even though you swear you don't know my name. Like, you swear you forget my name. Well, my name is 3 letters, 2 syllables. But it's all good because I still love you. But yeah, I love you. I hope you enjoyed your day. And yeah. Bye.
Knowing I'm desperate, getting on in it, falling all over love. I do it till it's last.